Hello guys, it's THCuber, and yes, it has been 3 years since the last video. A lot has changed since then, but one thing that hasn't changed is my 3x3 average. So if you've come to this place looking for some kind of pro review, you should click away, because oh my god, my knife is broken. God damn it. So let's dig into this package here. Okay, so this looks like a pretty standard box. Just a bunch of Chinese on it. And it's Kevin Hayes. Nice. So let's take this out. What else is in here? Pamphlet, standard pamphlet to solve a 3x3. These are everywhere. And yeah, as I said again, I'm not good at 3x3. So if you came here looking for a good review, then you come to the wrong place. I just wanted to record this just for the nostalgia reasons. And as I'm just turning this feels so goddamn dry. I don't think this has any lube at all. Yeah, I don't feel any lube at all in this thing. So let me do some first turns.
That I know, so moving away, they're moving towards everything that I have feared. Autumn fades back into the winter fades back into the spring. When the summer comes around, it will go around again. It will all be just
okay,
like a dream.
So if I was going to just compare this to another tree, I don't have that many great 3x3s, but this is a pretty good 3x3. This is a Yanqing Yan 3, and it's lubed perfectly, and this turns quite nicely. My main right now because I don't have that many great 3x3s, as I said before, but this has, I think, around the same amount of speed and control as the Yan 3, and except for the dry sandy feeling, but that can be easily fixed with lube. I feel like if I just adjust these tensions a little bit, which is it's a little bit misaligned, as you can see here, this is actually okay, so maybe there is a problem with this cube. It does pop, I see. So I can't tell you that much about the mechanisms. I suppose I could just pull it out right now since, you know, it popped for me, I guess. But you can take a look at it. I don't know anything about mechanisms, so I guess I'll just show it to you like this. I don't know. Here, have a look. I don't know if this has any significance at all. I'm not going to try to put this back together right now. But yeah, overall, I think it's not a bad cube, honestly. I don't think it's some kind of main killer. But I do feel like it has a lot of potential if you're going for a really cheap budget 3x3. Keep in mind that cube was $4. So if you don't have a lot of money to spend and you just want an okay 3x3, I guess you can go with this. But as you just saw, it does pop. But again, that might be because of the tension. So anyway, that was the main part of the unboxing. But I am going to unbox the other things that I bought as well, just because. Right here, I bought a Moyu Aosu. No, I'm about 3 years late on this. Oh my god, it's so lubey. Yeah, I did order the cubicle lube service along with this. Yeah, it's very gummy right now. Right now, it's just full to the brim with lube. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to break this in, and keep in mind, I did not sell a 4x4. In fact, this is my first 4x4. That's the only reason why I bought this cube. And just because I heard that it was still a very good cube in terms of 4x4s, is that why I bought it. And as far as I can tell, it's pretty good. I mean, I don't have any other comparisons, and I've never solved the 4x4, so take my opinion with a huge grain of salt. Yeah, I'd say it turns pretty well, I guess. At least it doesn't pop like this bastard over here. I already fucked it up. Alright, anyway, let's move on. And last but not least, definitely not least, this is the cube I've been most excited about. It's the, as you can see here, it's the Cubicle Labs Moyu Little Magic. And I have very high hopes for this thing. Oh, god damn it. Okay. So let's just pull it out. I'm gonna do this as fast as possible since I don't have a lot of time left. So this is a cubicle lab stand thingy that you get. Let's pop this thing. Let's pop this thing open. Okay, it's kind of oily on the outside. Okay, so let's just get right into it. First turns on the Yuxin Little Magic Hand. Okay, so first impressions. The lube is very, it's still not broken at all, which is expected. And I'm sure the viewers of this video, you guys have already seen many videos describing how this feels like. But basically, I'll just shorten it down. It's very smooth. It's quite possibly the smoothest cube I've ever felt, ever. Yeah, I don't have a lot of opinions on this because there's already so many of them on YouTube. So yeah, so basically in the end I'm just going to do a quick solves on both these cubes so you can analyze the feel and see how they perform. Okay. Oh god. There's that one. Okay. Yeah, that's it for both of them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you subscribe, and yeah, that's it.